As you may know, I have started building Gundam. Or Gunpla, sorry. So you know, I'm done with my what's it called? Amaro's mech. What is it? And I noticed you got no one to fight, bro. I decided to buy Char Zaku.
Char's Zaku. Yo. Ooh. Hopefully everything sounds okay. I don't care much about the box. Alright, this is gonna be my nicest build Gundam yet. Because I know what to do. First off, I can just take this off. I don't have to cut it. Is this how you're supposed to do it? Or you just like rip it like this? You probably do that, yeah. Okay, maybe I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, everything looks good. I'm going to spray everything with a matte coat, and then I'll do some, what's it called, panel liner. Oh, and last but not least, instructions. Since the box is kind of cooked, it's like not 100% display worthy, so I'm going to just go ahead and turn it into one of these cards later. So I'll save this for later. If you're the kind of guy that displays the boxes, you might want to double check if you want to buy this off of Amazon. Or just straight from the store, because this is a little cooked right here. These are slightly rubbery.
So this time I did a completely different method. Now that I had everything that I need and it's ready to go. So I went ahead and gave everything pin lining while they were still on the runners.
Oh, this rubbery thing felt so weird to cut. That one is. Evil laugh.
Once Char Zaku was complete, I started on painting the Heat Hawk, whatever it's called. I didn't show it here, but I first off started with white and then I went to yellow because I tried yellow first and it looked real bad. And now I barely have any footage of me adding weathering, but all the weathering I did, is from this video right here. I'll leave a link in the description. Really helpful video, and the result turned out awesome. Here's pretty much the finished result, and it looks really cool.